Hi, and welcome to 4Industry. In this short video, we will explain what 4Industry is and what it can do to help your business. 4Industry is a digital manufacturing operation system that helps customers improving operational efficiency by reducing the time it takes to either find or share information. 4Industry offers real-time analytics and monitoring tools over safety tasks, deviations, and ideas, and allows workers to create new tasks from anywhere thanks to the Android and iOS mobile app, offering a fully integrated user experience whether you're working from a desktop browser or a mobile device. It also allows workers to perform in-depth analysis on tasks such as the 5x why and integrates knowledge management, greatly contributing to an improvement on the overall equipment effectiveness. 4Industry's database is secured behind a role-based access control, ensuring all data is protected from unauthorized users, and is fully powered by ServiceNow, the platform of platforms. For more information on 4Industry, visit and contact us at www.4industry.com.